Come with me as I chase the sunset. So immediately as I look up, I see two baddies, but I'm like, whoa, remember, you're here for the sun. So I'm like, I bet. I quickly make this corner as y'all can see. Then I realize the sun is setting quicker than I anticipated, so I need to speed up. Quickly shift to change speed to pedal faster, otherwise we'll miss the sun. Quickly realized that was a big mistake because now I'm very tired and out of breath. So then I look down and I'm like, oh, and I have a Coke with me. I quickly take a sip and then I lock back in. I look up and I see a no stopping. Like, bro, I wasn't planning to stop. I have a sun to catch. Going down this road, I was like, this is so beautiful. So I slowed down, but I'm like, oh shit, I need to hurry up. I then started sprinting my ass off, like, damn. Look at us, but look at me go. In the end, all was worth it because as I come this road, let me stop talking. Just watch, just watch.